Good day, everyone. This is Edward Ezequiel de Rivera for the Philippines Today Breaking News Report. Maguindanao opens Palengke-like Community Pantry and Halal Community Pantry. The spirit of bayanihan among Filipinos continued to shine with the emergence of community pantries in the Philippines. One notable pantry that sprang up is at Datu Saudi Ampatuan at Maguindanao. This community pantry featured fresh meat and vegetables akin to one sold at the markets and are given for free for those who need food supplies. Items included chicken, fish, vegetables, fruits, breads, and other household items like soap and detergents. Tons of residents flocked to the community pantry that was organized by local officials. More community pantries continue to pop up in the country that offers halal food for Muslim community. According to the organizer Dr. Abdul Jabbar S. Turco, they intend to help fellow Christian and Muslim Filipinos who are in need, especially during the holy month of Ramadan. This is inspired by the growing community pantries all over the country. In the month of Ramadan, we encourage everyone to help out in whatever way they can, he told ABS-CBN News. Estorco said his fellow doctors initially contributed for the food donation initiative. More donors eventually came in and they even inked a partnership with Kids Who Far, a youth organization that launched a backyard farming initiative in the city. Meanwhile, he is hopeful that the community pantry they organize will last until Eid al-Fitr. This is Edward Ezequiel de Rivera reporting for Philippines Today KD News. Maraming salamat po. Stay healthy, be safe, and be generous.